Enter Remask from Tedison Company. Remask is safe for human use and harmless to the environment. The built-in ultraviolet lamp eliminates up to 99% of pathogens at the moment of inhalation, protecting the wearer from biological hazards in the air. Remask also provides 3-stage air filtration through a succession of special filters. First, a highly effective carbon filter keeps out major pollutants contained in the exhaust gas, providing a high degree of protection against harmful fumes even in large metro areas. During the second stage, the ultraviolet lamp radiation quickly and efficiently eradicates inhaled microbes and viruses. Finally, a high-efficiency particulate air filter catches ultrafine particles, protecting the respiratory system from irritants and allergens while still allowing for airflow. We at Tedison place high value in convenience. Thanks to the ergonomic, anatomically shaped design, Remask fits snugly on the face, while 3 different sizes included in the set enable the wearer to choose just the right option for the tightest possible seal around the nose and mouth area. A one-of-a-kind air filtration system separates the incoming and outgoing air currents for maximum safety and more convenience in comparison to other masks. Thanks to the smart Remask system that differentiates between inhaling and exhaling, the wearer can choose between always-on and inhalation-only LED front lighting, or turn off the illumination altogether. Remask is an excellent companion everywhere. At work, on the road, in the store, during a walk, and even in the hospital. A powerful yet compact rechargeable battery guarantees up to 12 hours of operation. Remask is a true game changer. Protect your future without limiting yourself in the present. With Remask, this is now possible.